In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use beat sync in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to match your video timing to the beat of your music, either by guiding it yourself or letting Canva do the heavy lifting for you. First, a quick overview of what beat sync does. Beat sync aligns your video clips or even presentation slides with the rhythmic pulses of a music track. This creates a polished, on-beat result that feels cohesive and professional. Depending on your account, you can use beat markers for manual control or switch on automatic syncing to have Canva align everything for you. Start by opening your video project in Canva. Head to the Audio tab to find a track you like, or upload your own if you've already picked one out. Once you've got your music, drag the audio onto your timeline so it sits beneath your video clips. You'll see the waveform appear, which is where beat sync will work its magic. Next, click the audio clip in your timeline so it's highlighted. This is important because the beat sync option only shows up when an audio track is selected. If you don't see the option, double-check that the audio layer is actually active. Look to the toolbar above the timeline and click Beat Sync. With that open, you'll choose how you want to sync. The first option is Display Beat Markers. Turn this on, and Canva will place visible beat points along the waveform. These are your visual guideposts. As you move your clips along the timeline, they can snap to those markers, helping you land cuts on strong beats. This gives you full creative control, and it's great if you like to fine-tune pacing or emphasize specific moments in the music. The second option is Sync Now, which automatically aligns your clips to the music's beat pattern. Turn it on, and Canva analyzes the track, then distributes your clips accordingly. It's fast, consistent, and ideal when you want a solid rhythm without manual tweaking. Keep in mind that this automatic mode may require a Canva Pro subscription. When you've chosen your mode, click Play to preview. Watch how your cuts line up with the music, paying attention to the downbeats and transitions. If the timing doesn't feel right, you can switch modes or refine your placement until the rhythm feels natural. That's it. With Beat Sync, you can quickly transform a basic edit into something that moves with the music and holds attention from start to finish.